we're there, baby. 8th floor. Is this for real?
Yes, for real.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, here we are, room 811 at the Quest Hotel. And so we walk into the room, we have a safe, minibar, some shelving, bathroom to the left, nice shower, double-headed, toiletries, wash basin. Hello everybody. Toilet, of course. And that will be the bathroom. Then looking into the main area of the room, luggage rack. Luggage, there is a TV which does not operate particularly well, I have found, at the stations. Or maybe I just don't have the technical capability to operate it. And this is the window. We're looking out onto, we're on the 8th floor, looking out onto, I believe that's a hotel opposite, well, I'm not quite sure. Below that circular roof is the entrance area of the Quest Hotel. And we're looking towards the mountain. And we have, this is actually a very large bed because it's 2 twin beds put together. And so it's quite comfortable. And we have our Lucky Charm here. Here he is. And that concludes the tour of room 811, the Quest Hotel. Archbishop Reyes Avenue, I believe it's called, next to the Ayala Mall in Cebu, Philippines. Strange sightings from the 24th floor of the Quest/Grand Senior residences. This is the hotel opposite, which is the Diamond, I believe. Moving back to the pool at the Quest. Here we are, we're just up from a swim at the pool, and this is of course the bedroom in the condo. And I want to show you the little mirror just up from the pool, as I say. This is the shower. I want to show you the view from the shower. It's a rain head, of course, and this is the view from the shower. And no, I'm not talking about a mirror. I'm talking about this view here. Isn't that cool? Yes, there it is, the view from the shower. Whoa, that was the door of the shower. It's being blocked by somebody, but there is a view there somewhere. Yeah, just thought that was cool. What'd you say? Do not disturb? Cool. Oh, one of the rooms had do not disturb. Okay. So here we are. We're going to come down here. Housekeeping is going to be here, working on the room. And we're going to get the elevator up to 22nd floor.